Hello, my name is Justina, and I'm a maintenance specialist here at Steelhead Technologies, and in this video, we will be doing an overview of maintenance. So for starters, maintenance in job shops is critical because you want your equipment to remain efficient and reliable, while also maintaining quality control, safety, and increasing the longevity of the equipment. Keeping records of these maintenance plans is also important so that you can look back on the history of equipment, plan and schedule new maintenance, take a look at cost management, and ensure that you're compliant with any regulatory requirements. Some common maintenance in job shops are preventative maintenance plans, or PNs. These are regular scheduled maintenance that prevent the breakdown of equipment. The equipment can range from forklifts to calibration on sensors, titration on tanks, and even on different lines. So taking a look at maintenance within Steelhead, we have the tile on the home page here and an icon notifying me, the user, that there is a maintenance plan due. So by selecting the tile, it'll bring us to the maintenance dashboard, and we have some alerts. One alert saying that there's an equipment that needs maintenance, and another that there's 3 maintenance events assigned to you. So right here we have active maintenance events. These are maintenance plans that are being run right then and there. And then we also have recurring maintenance plans. So these can be scheduled every day, week, month, and so on. So to run this maintenance plan, we'll select this icon, and some information has pre-populated, like the plan, who's it assigned to, and we'll select the equipment. Save and begin. So to run multiple steps, we'll hit complete multiple nodes. We can see any instructions, or if we wanted to input any images here, we could do that. Complete. And then here are all the steps. Again, if we needed to see instructions, we'll select show instructions and then record our sensor measurement. So check the tires, true or false. And then did we check the forks, true or false? Check the cab. For whatever reason, we can select false if we didn't check the cab. And then checked fuel. And then last but not least, we can also have some text inputs. We can leave this blank, or if we have any repair requests or remarks that need to be made, we can put them here. And then we have completed all of the steps, so we can hit save. But before we do that, it is important to note that we can associate inventory with maintenance plans and maintenance steps, and we would select the amount used for the specific step, and the depletions would be noted here. So if we hit save, we have our steps here and the associated sensors, who ran this maintenance plan, and what time was each step completed at. So if we're satisfied with this, we'll complete the maintenance event. Now, if we go to the home page, we'll notice that the icon is gone and the maintenance event is complete. Now, if we go back into maintenance and we want to view the completed maintenance events, we'll select maintenance events here, hit view completed maintenance events, and now we can see all of the completed maintenance events. If we go into any of these, we can see the associated step, what was selected for that step. Again, if there's any depletions within inventory, we can see them here, who completed the step, and then also the date and time. Now, this record is extremely important, not only to look back on, but also to comply with any regulatory requirements. Now that completes the overview of maintenance, and thank you for watching.